Hey, hi all. Welcome back to PR Knowledge Center. Now, in this session, we'll see what are SQL constraints in detail. Okay. So, as I told you, there are some constraints we have, also known as integrity constraints, which basically use it for applying restrictions on the data of inside of table. Okay. So, SQL constraints are used to apply conditions or rules on the data in a table. Okay, or I can say these are right rules and restrictions applied on the data in a table. Okay, so there are different SQL Server constraints. First one is not null. They are not null. This is the first constraint. So value cannot be null in a column. If you define a column as not null, so it won't accept any null value while inserting value into this table. Okay, that is what the use of not null. So value cannot be null in any column. Okay, and coming to the unique constraint, right? Value cannot be same in a column. So value cannot be same in a column. So same value, you should not give it for right different record, right? If column is already having a value, right? Same value, you cannot give it for different row. Let us say like ID number. If I give ID number as 3387, right? I should not use same value for other record. I should give a different value. Okay. Next one is primary key. This is used to uniquely identify a row, right? Used to uniquely identify the row. Okay. And same way, foreign key. Foreign key. So this references a row in another table, right? References a row in another table. If you want to refer another row in a different table, we are going to refer foreign key, right? Like as I mentioned, in EMP and department tables, I'll be creating EMP ID, right? Here in the EMP table as primary key, same EMP ID I'll be creating in the department table as foreign key, so that I'll refer these two columns in the join and I'll fetch the data from two tables. And next one is check constraint. It is used to satisfy a specific condition. If you mention any condition and if that condition matches, then only it will insert, right, the data into a table. So this is satisfies specific condition. Okay. And next one is default, right? This default constraint is used for setting default value for any column, right? And next one is index, right? This is used to speed up the read process of any table when you write a query on that relevant table. So use it to speed up, right, the read process on any table in database. Okay, so these are the constraints we have in SQL Server, and these can be called as integrity constraints and use it for creating columns, right? And you, when you insert data, right, it will check for these restrictions and field and conditions and then insert data. Okay, so and next thing is what is the order of SQL queries executed? Suppose I have a table, right? Employee table, TBL employee, right? Where EMP ID equal to 3387. Order by, right? Order by name SN. This is something a sample query. So how this query is going to execute? How SQL query is going to execute? So this, to see that, we need to understand the execution order. Okay. The first thing is from, right? So it will take this from keyword. That means which table you are preferring. And then it looks for join. Means from yeah, from and join and then where class and then group by, because having and where are same. If you want to use having, you need to use group by and then select and then order by and then limit. So this is the order of SQL query execution. That means if you are running this query, it will fetch table no employee details based on the filter and order by column. The order is from, it will start executing, and then if you have any join in this query, it will look for join. If you have where class, it goes here, and then group by, if you have, it looks for group by, and then having, and then select. That means last it will execute order by. Once the data is fetching, right, then it is going to order the data by specified column. So last is limit, right? So that it will restrict the number of rows you are going to retrieve from the server to client. So the last one is order by class, and it will immediate to a select statement. Once select statement fetch the data till here, it will apply order by class. Okay, so this is what the difference we have when you write a code. It will start from join, where, group by, having, select, and then order. Okay, so make sure when you fetch the data, make sure how you are going to use this join, where class, group by, having classes. Based on that only you will be getting data faster. Once the data fetching, then only it applies order by class. Okay, so these are some process inside of SQL query which is going to execute on any RDBMS. Okay. Okay, so I think in next coming sessions we'll see different other commands like alter and update and the differences, right? And then we'll see different classes like distinct and where class or and R class, right? How you are going to use it, right? And also we'll see SQL delete and wildcards and update statements. Okay. Thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.